Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. In questions, how, why, and what, in that let us do. What are robots? Can robots perform surgical operations? Let us discuss. A robot is a programmable machine that can complete a task, while the term robotics describes the field of study of focused on the developing robots and automation. Each robot has a different level of autonomy. These levels range from human controlled horses that carry out tasks, a fully autonomous horse that performs tasks without any external influences. In terms of etymology, the word robot is derived from the Z word robo, which means forced labor. The word first appeared in the 1920. Now we'll discuss further about what are robots. Can robots perform surgical operations? A robot is a machine that can perform tasks with a little or no human inventions. Robot can sense their environment, make decisions, and act in the real world. They can be programmed by a computer and can be guided by an external control device or have the control embedded within. Robots can vary in size, shape, and capable. Robots can vary in size, shape, and capabilities, but they share some common attributes. They can be designed to look like humans, but most robots are designed to perform tasks rather than look aesthetically pleasing. The field of robotics deals with the design, engineering, and operation of robots. The field has advanced significantly in the last 50 years. Here are some examples of robots. The Unimate, the first successful robot designed in the 20th century, the Unimate was designed by George Devol in 1954. It had one arm and one hand and was used in a New Jersey factory to lift the stack hot metal pieces. Roomba, a robotic vacuum that is an example of robot. Can robots perform surgical operation itself? No. Robots cannot perform surgery on their own, but they can assist surgeons in performing minimally invasive surgeries. This procedure is called robotic surgery. How does robotic surgery works? A surgeon controls a robotic arm with a computer console. The robotic arm has surgical instruments attached to it. The surgeon sees a magnified 3D views of the surgical site on the console. The surgeon uses the robotic arm to perform the surgery through a small incisions in the skin. What are the benefits of robotic surgery? Fewer complication. The risk of infection is lower, less pain and blood loss. Patients experiences less pain and lose less blood. Shorter recovery time. The patients can return to their normal activities faster. Smaller scars. Patients have smaller, less noticeable scars after operation. Improved precision. Surgeons can perform complex procedures with greater precision. Better view. The surgeons have a better view of your surgical site. What type of surgeries can perform using robotic surgery? Appendectomy, gallbladder removal, gastric bypass, hernia repair, hysterectomy, mitral valve repair, and pancreatomy, and as well as eye surgery, cataract eye surgery, and retina surgery also. Robots can robot feel like a human? Robots cannot feel emotions in the same way that humans do. However, they can simulate emotions to some extent. Explain. The emotions are complex. Emotions are a combination of a psychological and physiological responses to external stimuli. Robots lack biology. Robots don't have the biology or consciousness to experience emotions. Robots lack nervous system. Robots don't have nervous system or living bodies, so it's unlikely they will be able to feel pain. Robots can stimulate emotions. Robots can be programmed to express emotions, but they don't actually feel them. So robots cannot love. Robots can mimic thought. Programs can mimic through and allow robots to recognize and respond to pattern. However, the robots is not aware of itself. Examples of robot that express emotions. Kismet, the first social robot designed at MIT by Cynthia Brazil. Octavia, the robot with emotional effects that are designed to make it easier for people to interact with her. What might feature of the robots with emotions look like? Some proposals suggest adding an emotion module to robots. This module could influence other abilities such as perceptions and cognition. Emotions could help robots to make better decisions by providing access to properties like urgency of an action. So far, we discussed about what are robots and can robot perform a surgery. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.